the same with topics like stretching. And back then, one of the things that used to really get to me, Paul, was someone would turn around, let's say on the topic of stretching, and they'd say, sorry, John. And I'd say, yes, what about yourself? And they'd say, yeah, basically you're just talking a whole load of bull. Really? Yeah. Because I've got friends of mine, they've got hundreds of research papers that disprove everything that you're saying and contradict everything. And you say, okay, now you're in a room, there was maybe 50, 60 people, and the person says something like that. How do you come back to that, right?
Yeah.
Nowadays, if somebody says to me, sorry, John, there's a paper that completely contradicts everything you're saying, I'm able to say, great, have we all got smartphones in the classroom? Because I've got my computer here and I've internet. So let's go and find that paper that you're talking about.
Yeah.
Let's go and find that paper. Because oftentimes when you ask a person, could you give me the reference that you're talking, they go, oh, well, I can't remember the reference, but it's a friend of mine, Bob, who's one of the world's leading physiologists, and he told me. You go, okay, so Bob the physiologist, you know.
Yeah.
And it was an argument that you could never win. So people would walk out of the room, and some of them would be thinking, you know, John Sharkey's talking a whole load of bull.
Yeah.
You know, that person showed him. And it was really a horrible place to be because there was no truth in it.